In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. ClickUp tutorial. Better than Monday.com. We're going to set up a ready-made project management framework in ClickUp using templates. This is perfect if you want a clean, organized workspace without building everything from scratch, or if you're exploring how ClickUp stacks up against tools like Monday.com. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in the correct workspace. You'll see your spaces in the left sidebar. Pick the space where you want your project management system to live. Spaces are the top level containers in ClickUp, so choose the one your team actually works in. If you don't see certain settings, you may need the appropriate permission from your workspace admin. Now open the space settings. You can do this by hovering over your chosen space name and selecting the settings icon. This is where you control how the space is structured, and it's also where you can bring in templates so everything is consistent for your team. Inside the space settings, click Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's Template Center. It's the fastest way to import proven setups that include statuses, views, custom fields, and more. Using templates helps you standardize processes and saves a ton of time. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Project Management. You'll see a range of options, from simple task pipelines to more advanced project operating systems. Click into a template to preview it. Take a moment to review what's included: task statuses, example lists or folders, recommended views like list, board, or Gantt, and any custom fields. Choose the one that best fits your team's workflow. If you're not sure, go with a general project management template. You can always customize later. When you're ready, click Use Template. This starts the import process. You'll typically be asked where to add it. Confirm that the correct space is selected so you don't clutter another area. Check any available options so you understand what's being brought in. Next, click Use Template again to confirm. This finalizes the import. Give it a moment. ClickUp will create the structure for you. When it's done, you'll see the new lists, statuses, and views inside your space. From here, you can tailor names, tweak statuses, and adjust views to match your language and process without changing the core structure you just imported. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've launched a complete project management setup in ClickUp. It's flexible, fast to implement, and easy to refine. One reason many teams find it a strong alternative to Monday.com